As an organization, we have partnered with other organizations, both in the public and the private sector, and faith-based organizations to develop strategies and plans that will make lasting impact in the lives of fatherless sons and the single mothers who are raising these boys.
We need to take action and to educate, equip, and empower single moms and to help raise a generation of boys into men with strong values to maximize potential, activate purpose, and change the trajectory of their lives and communities.
The hope is that as the mothers grow in self-awareness and experiencing healing, the well-being of their sons will be positively impacted. We have programs that engage the use of prayer, forgiveness, repentance, rejection of lies, and replacing them with truth,
and processing painful memories to bring emotional and spiritual healing. Join us in our fight against these social ills and help us make a difference.